After several months of being closed, Cordy's Corner has reopened here in the memory lane section of Knott's Berry Farm. Completely remodeled. It is a soft opening. They said they're still expecting a few decor items to come in. They're waiting on special tissue paper, all sorts of things, but it looks amazing. I already went through. So let's go inside. I'll give you a full tour. And I was also the first guest and the first shopper of the morning. So let's go in. I'll give you a full tour of the new Cordy's Corner here at Knott's Berry Farm. This is cool. It's a flask and shot glass set. Gotta have one of these. So this shirt is new. It is the Knottsopoly. So you can pick up your board game if you don't already have one, and then get the shirt to wear while you're playing. And there's a blanket too down here. This is a new series. This is the crate series. So they have the shirts. They have strawberries, of course, the boysenberries. They've got cups, and then every fruit and veggie you can think of, there's these cool little signs. $9.99. Rhubarb. Comment below, do you get rhubarb or do you get the soup or salad when you go to Mrs. Knott? This collection is also new. Bob Bates is the artist. These were posters. Now you can get it in shirts, coffee mugs. These wood stocks. I actually saw these up front at Little Spurs. Got a train conductor and a cowboy. And look at a sunflower Snoopy. Not only was I the first guest this morning, you can attest to this, right? Yeah. First guest, I'm the first sale of the day. Look at this. Of the new opening. Yeah, the new opening. Obviously not the first guest. Item too. Oh, is that new?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little bell romper. So cool. It's $39.99. It's going to Camilla in Tucson. She's gonna love that. So I just bought a bag of these dog treats, and I said, if there's traffic on the way home, we'll try them. I said I'll have snacks for the way home at least. So I'll edit in some photos here, but this section of the park actually opened in 1971 as the Gypsy Camp, and only lasted about a year or so. The theming didn't really go over that well, but it was the brainchild of Marion Knott, Walter and Cordelia's daughter. Then it later changed to the Roaring Twenties, which it was up until several years ago, when they redid it for the memory lane section of the park. They completely redone. They were redoing the bathrooms across the way, brand new bathrooms. They were redoing the pizza restaurant that should be reopening. And as you saw, they just did Cordy's Corner. So we'll edit in some photos. Thanks so much to Eric for sending those over for this video. Make sure he gets credit. I was just talking to Judy inside, and Judy started here in 1977, March 1977, when it was the Gypsy Camp. No, when it was Roaring Twenties, sorry, Roaring Twenties. and she was saying that their costumes at the time were really heavy, dark black suits, and they complained because people didn't get the costuming idea, and they ended up changing them. So that's kind of a fun story. But Judy has been here since 1977, and she was also happy to see an update and refresh to the building. Looks really, really good. I hope you enjoyed this look at the brand new refreshed Cordys Corner, now open here at Knott's Berry Farm. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, we'd appreciate hitting that subscribe button. And if you're not following us on social media, you can find us on the Funnel Cake blog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Now it's time to eat. Let's go find something to eat.